nandito tayo ngayon sa farm ng ating isang mga kaibigan natin. Ayan. Ito yung mga kasama natin. Papasok tayo. Farm ito ng kumbaga yung gatas. Ayan. Yung bagong bahay nila. Okay. Oh. Nice. Oops. Whoopsie. This is good. Okay. Magtutour muna tayo. Tour muna tayo habang nice. Ang ganda. Oo. Ang ganda. Wow. Oh, wow. Oh, mas maganda ito pag open. Or di kaya glass. Oo. Maganda yung glass dyan. May aurora borealis sila. Ito yung ito yung mga baka nila. Ganda, no? Nice. Beautiful. Congratulations. Congratulations. Pwede ba kumakyat? Sa taas? Okay. Okay tayo guys sa taas. Hindi pa tapos itong bahay, ginagawa pa lang. Ganda. Oh. Hello guys. Yeah, nagkahanap ako. Hello. Yes. Welcome back to my channel. Ayan. Oh, maganda. Yan. Okay. Baba na tayo. Hindi pa tapos. Okay. So punta na tayo doon sa mga baka. Saan na yung mga baka? Ay, oo, nabasa ko nila. Wala ka na kapitbahay, no? Wala kang kapitbahay. Malayo. Diba, right? Kung Pwede tayo mag-take ng bid? Yes or no? Good? Pwede mag-video sa mga baka mo? Susunod? Okay. Thank you. Oh, ito yung gatas na? Okay. Nice. Ito na yung dito na yung pinaka final na
pinaka-service building ko.
So, may mga tauhan pa. Oh, okay.
May kusina, tapos may bedroom, may office.
Nice.
Yeah.
So, everybody's in? May galab shout out. Yeah.
Let's just go on the other side instead of you guys.
Okay.
That way you don't have to worry.
Oh, okay. Yeah. Kailangan natin mag-clear ng... Okay.
You wanna do the count now?
Okay, punta tayo sa mga baka. Doon tayo sa highlights.
Ate yung...
Ah, okay.
Where's Owen? Owen!
Nakakatanggal nga ng sakit ng ulo, no? Okay. Oh, ito na yung mga baka. Yay! Most exciting part. Oo nga, no? Oh, ang cute. Hello, ano pangalan niya? Naman. Kala ko mga baka lang makikita natin dito. Oh, okay. Look at that. Hmm. Galing sa dudok ng cow. Look at guys. Look at that. Oh. Sugar. Oh, may pangalan. Sugar. Bubble. Decaf. Oh, you like coffee? Oh. Jessie. Oh, okay.
Once the cow is pregnant with 5 months to move here.
Oh.
It means they're dry, we cannot milk them.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, they were pregnant. And right now. So as soon as they're gonna be
Mga-
9 months or 8 months, they're gonna move there to where is the cabin area.
Oh, okay.
So anytime they can have a baby.
Yeah. Sumuot si Owe bata doon. Mga ilan ang bata niya? Kasi isang bata. Mga ilang piraso yung bata na.
They keep pregnant. If they're gonna have a baby, if the cow can have a male, they're gonna pattern the male and sell it for us.
Oh, okay. Laki no, mga ilang baka yung mga ilang baka meron kayo dito? 150. Wow. Mm. Asa na yung ano pag Ah. Oh, okay. Ah, ito na yung ano. Oh, okay. Okay. So, pumapasok lang yung baka doon sa loob?
Do you wanna see the robot? You can come inside.
Ay, paano? Ah, okay. Let me see.
Mamugas ko lang. Sinelas ko naman.
Hmm. Oh, okay lang ba ako? Contaminate yung ano natin? Paan natin?
Or you wanna go in there?
Ah, wag na sis. Okay na. Wag na. Okay, saan ang magugas? Okay lang? Okay, sure. Okay na sa'yo? Good. Ayan, dahan-dahan kayo guys kasi
Napasok ko.
okay, papasok tayo dito. Ayan. Titingnan natin kung paano yung pag-melt ng... Dito, ate? Saan ba? Oh, okay. Ayun, no? Oh, okay. Ah, hinugasan niyo yung dede. Oh. Hinugasan niyo yung dede, no? Ang galing naman. Yeah. Okay. Ang galing, ano? Oh. Pasok, oh. Wow. Ang galing naman. Ayun, nakikita niyo yung gatas, oh. Nakikita niyo yung gatas na pumapasok. Ayun, oh. Oh. Ito yung gatas, oh. Dami, no? Oh. Hindi mo na kailangan talaga pa. Galing mo yung gatas niyo, ayun oh, mapasok dito sa machine na ito. Ano sabi? So, ito. Oh, look! Oh, wow! Yan talaga ang sinasabing fresh milk. Galing sa dulo ng cow. Galing. Nice. Tapos diretso na yan doon sa ano.
Matapos mag-melt ng 1 ounce ng stock.
Yung isang to, mga ilang litro, ano niya?
Ilang litro ba mga ganyan?
Ang dami niya. Ganun kadami yung na mapuproduce niya na.
It's telling her the computer with what the part left side, right side, and how much it goes.
Oh, okay. Ang tataba ng mga kaw, no?
Yeah, the more they improve. Ay, hindi. Ayaw.
Ang tagal matapos ha, oh. Oh, tapos na. Tapos na. So malalaman niya din pagkata wala nang hindi lang ang gatas.
Oo. No. They need to be pregnant and have a baby and give it help. If they are fresh cow, they need to be pregnant first, and then if they had a baby, then after the baby, we can milk them. Yeah.
Ang galing naman.
But if after they had a baby, the milk of the cow still have blood, they don't keep that. You cannot sell that, so it
Oh, okay.
goes separating them.
Oh, yun yung mga ano.
Did you see some milk in there?
Yeah.
So it means that some cows, we try to cure some cows if they're under medication, so we're not
Okay.
even allowed to give the milk for that cure.
So, tinatapon niya yan.
No, it's the cow still lives.
Oh, the baby cow.
Yeah.
Oh, wala pa natapon.
Yeah.
Nice. Ang galing ha.
Paano ko nagpapili sa bote? Sa bote. Or
Paano yung pamano-mano pagkadede?
oh, lagay ko sa freezer sa ref niya. Oh.
Oh.
We bring it sa Hindi maubos, pero minsan maubos din. Kasi we give it first before the powder. We use the powder.
Oh. Ang dami na. Oh. Tapos na ba? Oh, tapos na siya. Tapos, parang... Sorry? Parang sinasanitize niya din yung dede, no?
Oo. Kailangan ano din.
Oh, labas na siya.
We had a trick there while they're milking. They have candy to eat.
Talaga dito nila parang treat ay yung pagkain nila, no?
Oo. We have trick ang pinag-open.
Okay, let's go.
Gawin tayo mo. Pinagawa ko yan siyang marumasok sa may tao.
Ah, okay.
So na
So,
upo
ayun, papasok siya.
Ayan, tumitingin sila ng mga tao dito. Hello!
Okay.
see how the
Okay.
robot melts.
Yeah. Okay, thank you.
Yeah,
Galing.
welcome.
Galing. Nice, galing naman. Ay, sarap. Ganun lang yun, sis? Dami. Sino? Oo. Oo. Pagka inis ka na, okay na lang, di ba? Di tingnan ko kung nakot muna ito dito, sis. Okay na. Esther and Emma. This is Snow, Rose. May mga name yung mga baka eh. Kumakain sila. Oh. Kinakain na lang hay. Lucy, Vodka. Hello. Ayan. Oh. Shine. Lariat. Ayos ah. Si Rita, nandito si Rita.
Dapat plane. Hi, plane. Hi, plane. Oh,
Oh, alam niyo yung pangalan nila, no? Pepper.
hello, Papa. Hello, you.
Europe ba? Europe. Mailer. Ayun ba, walang pagkain. Gusto na lang kumain, tinatanggal mo na. Julie eh.
Funny.
Hmm? Oo, may bunny. May bunny din sila, oh. Saan sila naghugas? Saan sila maghugas ng paa? Ito sa inyo pa to, sis? Sa kanila, sa inyo pa to? Laki, no? Ah, ito. Anong gagawin dito?
They dig out a new hole that way we can separate the solid and the liquid.
Ah, okay.
Because that's the lagoon. All the water that flush, did you see that barn? It's flushed every an hour. Nakita mo ba? Nag-flush na tubig? Hindi.
Hindi ko nakita.
Oh, hindi nakita?
Pero
Oh.
may tubig eh na nagaganon yun.
Oh yeah, it's every an hour. It's look like river in there. It's flushed the water. So
Oh, okay.
the poop of the cows goes there to the lagoon, and then the solid stays in there, and then the liquid. Hey, don't go down in there, please. Who's that, Huggy?
Oh.
Then the liquid back there in the reservoir.
Something new, right? Mm-hmm.
Here, I don't really have a job in here because just my husband is asking me. What I do sometimes is just wash the bedding where the cows lay down. So you have like to take off the poop in there, whatever, and then we have to put them in there. No, for where the cows laying down. Oh, yeah, but there's someone who's doing that. People that in charge of doing that. I just cover my kitchen at night. Like my husband is busy right now. It's summer, so he's too busy working in the clothes. Sometimes I came and washed them.
Oh,
We need to
okay.
wash the water. So you have two. There's two.
So meron pa kayong yung ano, yung parang hay.
Yeah.
So para pagkain ng baka.
We have canola, we have wheat, we have oats, we have barley, yeah.
Barley. Nice. So umiinom ka ng ano, barley na powder.
No,
So anong ginagawa niyo sa barley?
to elaborate. Did you see that when you went there? Yeah, there's a big his train or whatever.
Okay.
Once a week, the big train is there, and then all the farmers deliver their grain in there.
Oh,
But it's not only the one thing; it's different places there is grain
okay.
where you can bring your grain and sell.
Wow. Ang galing. Okay, so ano, kanya-kanya na tayong uwian? Okay. Thank you guys. It's nandun na? Okay. Thank you so much. Okay. Thank you. Okay.